Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Nissan Qashqai. Now of course you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and you also get your front parking sensors. You've then got these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are a 19-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, we've also got your rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just above the registration, just here. Then we've also got plenty of room inside the tailgate. We've got 60-40 split, completely flat folding rear seats. Then below here we do have your Bose subwoofer for your upgraded audio. Then coming around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have part leather, part cloth interior with your ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. You've also got your electric driver's seat, heated front seats as well. And then we also have your automatic gearbox, dual climate control, and then we have your touchscreen display. This comes with your satellite navigation, comes with your various audio sources along the bottom. You've got 360-degree view camera as well, as you can see there. And you also have Bluetooth hands-free within the same system as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your media controls. We've then got your onboard computer controls on the left, track select and return. Over to the right, we've got your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, and your adaptive cruise control settings just to the right. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 35,540 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Qashqai, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.